case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1983, the Alabama Supreme Court heard the case Parker v. Bell Ford, Inc., which centered on a buyer's obligation to notify a seller of a discovered defect within a reasonable time frame in order to pursue legal action. A.B. Parker had purchased a 1979 Ford F-100 pickup truck from Bell Ford, Inc., and quickly noticed excessive tire wear. Despite Bell Ford's recommendation for an alignment, the issue persisted. Instead of returning the truck for repairs, Parker sued for misrepresentation and breach of contract, seeking up to $30,000 in damages. The court ruled in favor of Bell Ford, stating that Parker had not provided the required notice of the defect within a reasonable amount of time, as outlined in Section 72607 of the Code. The court maintained that this notice was necessary for a buyer to pursue any legal remedy. As a result, the previous decision to grant a directed verdict in favor of defendants Bell Ford and Ford Motor Company was affirmed, barring Parker from recovering damages from either party.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.